Good day, Juan. Thanks for joining us here in the charts. You're tuned into the Market Beast edition. It is your fellow compadre speaking. So this is going to be a special request. TRXC is the symbol. Transcendental, not even going to try to pronounce that. That is what we're going to be taking a look at. And if you guys are just joining us, welcome and hit that subscribe button. We've been on fire lately, but it's probably just the markets, guys. It's not really us, but we'd love for you to join us. Leave a comment, leave an appropriate thumb. The YouTube algorithm is picking up on the channel. Thanks to you guys. Seriously, thank you. All right, so we're going to get into this chart. I found a few lines I want to share with you guys. So let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today is January the 27th, 2021, and the current price of this stock, again, is going to be TRXC is the ticker symbol. It's $3.09. It's down approximately 14.4% for the day. Okay, so let's go ahead and reveal my infamous lines that I come out with. Let's kind of back out here. And there it is. So now you guys know, hopefully you guys remember. I'll briefly go over it for those of you just joining us and those who don't remember. The red line is the critical level. It needs to get above that level in order to do anything. Okay, so I think this is an interesting place where the price is. First and foremost, I do see more upside potential. I just don't know how severe the retracement will be. We're going to get into that in just a second, but let's just finish it on out. This is the red line is the critical level that it needs to get above in order to have a nice move to the upside. The green line is the kind of the long-term line it needs to get above in order to continue or have a chance to have double digits in the future and kind of survive, because I mean it's under a lot of sell pressure, guys, to be honest with you. So that's what I hope. I don't think I explained that well. The green line, it must get above in order to have a healthy consolidative move to have a long-term price propelled to the upside, if that makes sense. And our infamous yellow line overhead here is going to be like that breakthrough line. It's kind of a resistance line. I do think at some point it could reach that level. Let's not get ahead of ourselves and not even go over those levels just yet. But let's just kind of get down in the crevices here, so to speak. These are the weekly candles. Obviously, the market appears to be under some pressure. Before we get into that, let's just get an overall. Remember, this stock is perfectly confined in a pretty aggressive downtrend, guys. Like it's really bad. I'm pretty sure it's been through some reverse stock splits. It looks like it came out all the way back in 1991, reached a high of approximately $25,316. I'm not sure what that means, guys, but I'm pretty sure it's involved with some sort of reverse stock split. Let's just get down into where we are now with the price action and understand if this is an opportunity. So what I'm looking at, I wanted to point that out because that means the markets are under some real sell pressure. So when you see these 14% down, 25% up, 50% up, 30% down, like that is the reason why. Okay, that's buyers and sellers just kind of having at it with each other, and there's going to be a lot of selling pressure. So just be prepared. So let me just give you guys a really kind of a microscopic view that the levels that I've already pointed out, the $8, I don't know if I actually said that, $8.91 is the critical level it needs to get above in order to kind of survive, so to speak, honestly. So let's not go over any of the other talks. So $8.91, let's just kind of deal with it as the price goes up, if it continues to go up. And so here's where we are in the microscopic view. All right. So the weekly candles here, as far as what I'm seeing, as long as the price can stay above this level right here at about that's going to be $2, yeah, and $2.82. If the price can successfully stay above that level, then everything will be just fine. Let's just say it gives some sort of consolidating. These are weekly candles. There's 2 more days and 3 hours to close on this candle. If it consolidates above this line, that's perfectly fine, guys. It's just in preparation to move higher. Okay, so but if we lose that line, I gotta give you the next level down below here. So let's see if that level is compromised at $2.84, I think I said approximately. Then the next line is going to be right down here at about $1.59. I'm not saying that's going to happen, guys, but just be prepared. Position yourselves accordingly in this market, whether you have to throw 10% at the current level. Remember, those negative days, these are the days that I shop. Okay, when I see a market down 14%, I throw it at just throw it at the market, right? You just have to, if you have like a $10,000 position or $1,000, I'm not sure what you're working with there, guys. If you have $1,000 position, you enter the market like from a position of strength. You know, something like this, I would just throw 5% at the market and just forget about it and not even care if it goes to zero. I'm not saying it's going to zero. This is how I went into market, guys. And if we lose this green line, I'll have another position prepared if it goes down to $1.59. Again, bulls. I'm not saying this is going to happen. I have to point this out for you guys. Honestly, I think this price can eventually reach $8.09. So let's just be clear about that. Okay, I'm naturally a bear. I'm not gonna put this down. I don't even know what it is or if it has contracts, but I do think it will eventually. Considering the immense amount of sell pressure it's been under, I do think this is an opportunity, guys, to at least take this ride up to and possibly through the $8.91 level. So let's just take a really quick measurement, how much of a percentage gain that is from the current level. That's about 183% to the upside, okay? So you have to figure out what is your risk tolerance? How are you going to entertain this market? I just gave you, what is that, 180% potential to the upside. So you assess your risk and say, okay, if he's saying it could go up 180%, then that means I can risk, I don't know, what is it, like 20%? As on my full position. I'm not sure, because a lot of people like just hit that buy button and just enter the entire market. I never do that. I don't recommend doing that. Okay, you scale in there, you know, 10%. I don't know, guys. You have to come up with your own strategy. Let's close this out here, guys. Really, hopefully not a long video. $2.84. If it breaks below this line, just remind me. I'll give you guys an update to just kind of, you know, peek into the charts to see if I can see anything. $2.84. If it's above that line, you guys don't need an update. It's going to the upside, sideways or to the upside. There's only two other ways to go if it's not going down below $2.84. It's going to go sideways and consolidate, and then it's going to go up. Okay, there's only two other ways. Okay, so write the levels down. Please rewind it back if you didn't hear it. And again, just my opinion in closing out here, I do think that it won't take, let me just do a really quick measurement. This is like super hypothetical. It'll take less than 42 days if this were to play out and go all the way up to the $8.91. So if we do like 42 days over, we could expect to see that happen by March the 8th, 2021, if the $2.84 level holds as support. That's all I got for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there if you enjoyed the content. Leave a comment down below, guys. Let me know if you guys are invested in this, how to actually pronounce the name. I don't know how to pronounce it, guys. TRANSENTETIX. I think I got it right. Yeah, TRANSENTERix, something like that. Incorporate it. So yeah, just leave a discussion down in the comment section. If you left this as a request, I'll pin your comment. Just let me know down there. Thank you for the request. I'm going to cut out here, guys. If you're new, just joining us, before you go, we cover the alternative markets, Bitcoin, altcoins. So subscribe, hit the bell. We actually send you the notifications when we have that information available. And I think we covered everything, guys. Again, thank you for your time. Take care of yourselves. Protect your portfolio. We're going to talk very soon. And bye for now.